A day after Narendra Modi showcased his blueprint for Gujarat, now it's for the Congress to reveal its hand. Sheila Dikshit will unveil the Congress manifesto for Gujarat, hoping to give a push to the party's campaign, which has so far been mired in internal squabbling.
Narendra Modi bringing all his showmanship skills to the fore, releasing the BJP manifesto and unveiling a three-pronged strategy with focus on the new middle class, the youth and agriculturists.
किसानों को उनकी आय कैसे बढ़े, एग्रीकल्चर में टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे ज्यादा उपयोग में हो, हमारा किसान उसको फॉरवर्ड लिंकेज बैकवर्ड लिंकेज की पूरी सुविधाएं वैज्ञानिक तरीके से कैसे मिले, उस पर हम बल दे रहे हैं। उसी प्रकार से एग्रो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और हमारे देश में एग्रो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर बल देने की बड़ी आवश्यकता है। एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर के लिए किस प्रकार के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की जरूरत है, हमारे संकल्प पत्र में हमने विस्तार से उसका वर्णन किया है, ताकि किसानों को हमेशा के लिए उन सुविधाओं का लाभ मिलेगा।
And now all eyes on the Congress manifesto, which will be unveiled by the Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit. Even before the manifesto release, the Congress is gunning for Modi.
Interesting story about gas exploration in Gujarat. Why were the 6 crore people of Gujarat made to bear the exploration cost, which should have been paid by Geo Global? Humbly like the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat to reply to these questions.
The party choosing Sheila Dikshit, perhaps an acceptance that local leaders of the party don't quite match up to Narendra Modi.
मैनिफेस्टो नहीं है, गुजरात की जनता का मजाक है। 17 साल के शासन में भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने फिर से आम जनता को एक लॉलीपॉप दे रहे हैं।
Expectations that Congress may announce special sops to farmers of drought-hit Saurashtra and may even get Rahul Gandhi to campaign in Gujarat to counter Modi's youth push. The party is hoping the manifesto will impress the electorate enough to help them break a nearly 18-year sabbatical from power in Gujarat.
As of now, the Congress unit of Gujarat appears to be in shambles because of the infighting that is prevalent in the unit in Gujarat. A day after Narendra Modi unveiled his manifesto for the upcoming Gujarat polls, Congress, the opposition in the state of Gujarat, gears up to put up a point-by-point rebuttal in the promises that they have to offer in their own manifesto. With camera person Pawan, this is Tavleen Singh in Ahmedabad for Times Now.